Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There are 3 slight risk areas for today. 3 slight risk areas for today. One covering south central Arizona. A second covers the UP of Upper Michigan. And the third one today covers east central Georgia, most of South Carolina, and southern North Carolina. Cities in today's slights include Phoenix, Arizona, Charlotte, North Carolina, Tucson, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, and Glendale, Arizona. And there are 3 marginals today. One covers parts of Arizona, another covers east central New Mexico, parts of Texas Panhandle, parts of Texas, southern and southwestern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern half of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, most of Alabama, parts of Florida Panhandle, much of Florida, most of Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, southeastern Tennessee, and parts of North Carolina. And the third marginal today covers northeastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, parts of the UP of Upper Michigan, and northwestern Michigan. The marginals include Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, and Arlington, Texas. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northern Wisconsin and the UP of Upper Michigan. Alright? Cities in today's marginal include Marquette, Michigan, and Escanaba, Michigan. And now for the wind threat, there are 3 areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for today. One covers south central Arizona, a second covers east central Georgia, most of South Carolina, and southern North Carolina. The third 15% today covers parts of the UP of Upper Michigan. The 15% wind risk areas today include Phoenix, Arizona, Charlotte, North Carolina, Tucson, Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, and Glendale, Arizona. And there are 3 areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for today. One covering parts of Arizona, a second covers east central New Mexico, parts of the Texas Panhandle, parts of Texas, southern and southwestern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, northern half of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, much of Florida, most of Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, far southeastern Tennessee, and parts of North Carolina. And the third 5% today covers northeastern Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin, parts of the UP of Upper Michigan, and northwestern Michigan. The 5% wind risk areas today include Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Fort Worth, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, and Arlington, Texas. And now for today's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of the UP of Upper Michigan. The only city listed in the 15% hail risk is Marquette, Michigan. And there is a 5% hail risk today, covering northeastern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, parts of the UP of Upper Michigan, and northwestern Michigan. The 5% hail risk includes Traverse City, Michigan, Escanaba, Michigan, Marinette, Michigan, Wisconsin, and Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2 inch hail or larger. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. The black dashed area includes Marquette, Michigan, and Escanaba, Michigan. So, in summary, thunderstorms capable of producing isolated to scattered severe and damaging winds may occur this afternoon and evening across parts of the Carolinas, southeast into the southern plains, and separately over southern and central Arizona. Large hail and severe winds also appear possible over parts of the upper peninsula of Michigan. So, That is your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Whether you're in the slight or the margin, which you never know. You never know a slight margin we can pull off. Now I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.